Hello and welcome to another update video about Algorand, something many people requested, so I'll do another one. Here on the daily we can see that Algorand is losing steam at the moment, and I've been talking about that I think since we've struggled here to push the price higher. So that is when I had the alarm bells ringing and yeah, basically said, guys, I realized some profits and you know, it's just my own view, only some profits. You know, I'm bullish on Algorand anyway. I bought down here at 113. I think I bought different, you know, at different prices. So I am dollar cost averaging anyway, but I realized some profits, took 25% out purely because I think there could be a drop coming. The reason I say that is that while we had here on the daily prices go up, you can see that from that wave to the next one, we had actually a bearish divergence on the RSI, which is always the first indicator that a trend reversal might be coming. We had the same, could see the same, even though we are in an uptrend. We saw the same on the MACD here, where we were moving up with the prices. We sort of came to a standstill on the MACD, and now we're actually moving down. Okay, so that is divergence, always important to watch. However, long term, of course, we are in an uptrend. And why? Because we are above the 20, the 50 and the 200-day moving average. Also because we had a golden cross on the 13th of September, something I talked to you about. And there is a clear uptrend. We are in an uptrend. We can see that. And it's just something to be aware of. And you always have consolidations, but there could be a little bit of a drop coming. In my opinion, that's why I realized some profits. But still, long term, all good, all good. And if prices continue to go up, I will obviously hold. And if prices go down, then I'll just buy more because I realized some profits. So that's all good. Happy with that. But what are we on the daily? Where are we at on the daily? We can see that two things. We have a very bearish pattern. Well, we had a bearish pattern here, and I talked to you that we might break down to the downside, because what is this? This is an ascending wedge. Check out my second channel if you want to learn about these patterns. You can find the link in the description. Ascending wedge, bearish pattern indicates a break to the downside. We had this coupled with a head and shoulders here. So if you have two things coming together, and well, actually three things, because we had a bearish divergence as well, then it's, you know, there are so many things that make me think the prices might drop, and it did. We actually broke below, even though only weak, but we broke below that ascending wedge. We are now trading between the 200 period moving average on the hourly chart and the former support, now resistance trend line. Yeah. So we are also, since we broke down, we retested that and we've made a lower low. So in my opinion, this is rather looking bearish. Okay, here on the hourly. So in my opinion, we might now see a little bit of a drop. That's what I think, just my feeling. Also looking at, you know, we had that we had the bearish pattern here, then the other bearish pattern, the head and shoulders. We have lost steam here, which indicates that at least short term we will see some consolidation. I think we could go down to 188. That's the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level. We've already touched that here on the 10th of September, so I think that could happen again. As long as we hold that, I think it's not too bad, but then we could also drop to 172. That's the next Fibonacci retracement level, the key one. And if we drop below that, it becomes more bearish. But here, I think it should still be okay. We can rebound from there. But I still think we are coiling up for a move to the downside. Just based on all the things that I've just told you. So that's what I think. Not too bullish on it at the moment. I think I'll get bullish again as soon as we get above 250, yeah, and close above that trend line. That's what we need to do. Until then, we're going to trade in this ascending wedge. We've actually broken outside of this ascending wedge now. So first of all, we need to get back in, which takes some effort. And you know, the volume is going down. We are seeing here, I mean, I talked about the bearish divergences already. You know, you can see it clearer on the hourly. You know, from that wave to the next one, we saw prices going up, but we've seen that divergence here on the RSI, the bearish divergence. And also we've seen some strong rejection from here. And I don't think I need to make this video any longer. I think I made my point. Let me know what you think, where the prices are going. And yeah, I hope that was a useful video. If you liked it, please smash the like button. If you want to learn about TA, check my second channel. If you want to get more algo videos or videos about other cryptocurrencies, then subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.